Dirt Inside Steam Boilers, Effects, Precautions and Cleaning Guide. By Prawin Engineering. Steam boilers are the heart of industries. But one hidden problem silently reduces efficiency and safety. Dirt inside the boiler. In this video, let us explore the quality of this dirt, its effects, precautions, and cleaning methods. The dirt inside a steam boiler is not just dust. It is scale from hard water, sludge from impurities, rust from corrosion, oil residues, and carbon deposits from fuel. When dirt builds up, it acts like an insulator. Heat cannot pass into the water properly, forcing the boiler to burn more fuel. Over time, tubes overheat and may even burst, a dangerous accident. The result is high cost, low efficiency, and major safety risks. Inside the boiler, chemical water treatment and regular blowdown prevent dirt formation. Outside, proper firing, ash removal, and routine tube brushing keep the furnace and tubes clean. Cleaning is done in 3 ways. Manual brushing for small boilers, mechanical tube cleaning using power tools for large boilers, and chemical descaling for hardened scale. Though it can be tough, cleaning is the only way to restore safe operation. If cleaning is ignored, boilers lose efficiency, tubes burst, and costly shutdowns follow. A small dirt problem can become a major accident if neglected. A clean boiler is a safe and efficient boiler. Regular maintenance saves fuel, money, and lives. Prawin Engineering is always here to keep your boiler healthy and efficient. Thank you for watching. Prawin Engineering, trusted experts in boiler erection, repair, and maintenance since 1985. Contact us today for safe, efficient, and IBR-certified boiler solutions. Prawin Engineering. Authorized dealer of SR Energy Equipments, Trichy. Government-approved IBR steam boilers repairer and erector. Member of Indian Boiler Repairers Association. S.F. No. 274 OPPTO Chinakrai Plant, Chian Thodam, Kapandam Palyam, Veerapundi P.O., Tirupur 641605 Tamil Nadu, South India. Admin, 96550096445, WhatsApp. Office, 9443525280. Thank you for your support. Keep following Prawin Engineering for more insights on boilers, safety, and industrial solutions.